Let's see, where'd I put it? Ah, right here. Got it all customized up for you. Wow, this looks great, man. Thanks. Whoa, bro, you got an infection form on your head. What? This just little Pablo. He likes to rest next to my brainstem for some reason. Wait, you named it, and you're gonna keep it as a pet? Oh, you bet. I love this little guy. Doesn't that seem kinda, dangerous? Are you kidding? He's completely harmless. Plus, I taught him to do some cool tricks. Say what? Yeah, check this out. Okay, roll over. Now lay down. All right, play dead. I think I'm gonna be sick. Well, that was fun while it lasted. I don't know. You sure about this? Look, if it sees you first, it's gonna think you're its mother. Therefore, easier to train. Now get ready. It's hatching. You know, this might not be the same thing.